Assalamu alaikum. I am Jawad Ahmad and we are present in our next class of economics in which we are going to study what is economics, means definition of economics with its type, field of study, and scope of economic types. So before we can start our class, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get all my videos on a timely basis. Let's start our class. What is economics? Economics is the study how to allocate or utilize scarce resources sources to satisfy our unlimited wants. So, the study in which we study how can we use or utilize our limited resources, scarce resources, to satisfy or fulfill our unlimited wants is called economics. So basically, economics guide us or help us to utilize our limited resources to satisfy or fulfill our unlimited wants. Human resources are always available in a very limited quantity, and human wants are always unlimited. You expect everything in life, but only get a few of this. So, study of economics help us to utilize our resources in such a manner that our need or wants can be settled down, or we can satisfy our wants up to a certain acceptable level. So, what are the types of economics? Types of economics. There are two types of economics. First one is microeconomics, and second one is macroeconomics. The name can it's always explain its meaning by itself. Micro means small and macro means large. So what is microeconomics and economic study in which we deal or that deals with small So what is microeconomics? Microeconomics is a type of economic study in which we study about the small units of economy. So the most important bit here is that it is a type of economic study that deals with the small units of economy. What are the small units of the economy? The small units of the economy relates to an individual person's likes and dislikes. So we can say that in microeconomics we study about the individual behavior of a consumer. We focuses on its demands, needs, and wants, and the resources he have. So microeconomics is the type of study in which we study about the individual behavior of a single or individual customer by analyzing its demands and requirements, and we compare its resources along with its needs or wants. So such type of study is called microeconomics. Now move to the next type, that is macroeconomics. What is it? Macroeconomics type of economic study that deals with the economy as a whole, or you can say that type of study in which we study about the macro or all individuals individuals along with group analysis. So it is a type of study in which we study about the behavior of all the individuals and sectors of economy. For example, in which we study about what is inflation, what is inflation, what is recession, what is the level of unemployment in the country, and other macro issues. Macro means large issues. So it is a study in which we study the economy as a whole. We discuss the financial or economic problems of all sectors of the economy. But in microeconomics, you study about an about a, each customer or each individual, what he requires and what are its demands. So let's move to the scope, field of study. You simply said that the importance of micro and macroeconomics. So in our first go, we are going to study microeconomics scope, field of study, and their importance for a society. So let's start our class. The first aspect that is studied in microeconomics is the theory of price, in which we study how the fluctuation in the price of a single commodity affect a single customer and its economic decisions. Economic decisions, economic decisions are what to consume, what to produce, how to consume, how how much to consume, and other ones. So the first thing that is studied in microeconomics is the theory of price. Okay, how much this change in price can affect a single customer and its economic decisions. So next one is consumer behavior, in which we study how the changes in the economy can affect the consumer behavior when he is willing to purchase a commodity and when he is not available to consume any product or do any other activity. So, in this, consumer behavior is studied through different scientific theories. The next one is firm's behavior. Firm means the organizations or institute in which persons or group of persons take effort to utilize all the factors of production to produce something that satisfies human wants. Fourth one is theory of production and cost. At individual level, how much he is going to produce and at what cost. Fifth one is market analysis or market equilibrium. Sixth one is factor pricing. Pricing. And the seventh one is economic welfare. So these are the main six or seven concepts that are being studied in microeconomics. Now move to the macroeconomic ones. Macroeconomics, economics, factors are first one is economy, performance, theory of income and employment level in the economy. Third one is that theory of economic fluctuation. Then theory of money and inflation. Economic growth and development in the economy. Sixth one is economy, economy stability. Basically, economic policies are studied in this part. Then the seventh one is foreign trade or called as forex. Eighth one is money banking. The banking system. Economic policies and their formulation and others. So in this class, merely we have studied the definition of economics, its type, microeconomics and macroeconomics. What is microeconomics? What is macroeconomics? And their examples. Then we have studied the scope, fields of study and importance of microeconomics. Then we have studied macroeconomics funds. So, hope the concept has been well explained. Let's meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you. Thank you for your time.